What if I told you that one simple drink could help you lose weight, fight aging, and even prevent cancer? It's not a magic pill or some crazy fad diet. It's lemon water, and today, I'm going to show you why you should drink 1 cup of it every single day. We've all heard that lemon water is good for you, but have you ever stopped to wonder exactly how much good it can do? It's a whole lot more than just a refreshing drink. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 8 amazing benefits of drinking lemon water daily. Trust me, by the time you're done watching, you'll be squeezing lemons into your water every morning. Let's dive in. Number 1, it helps with weight loss. Lemon water can be a game changer when it comes to weight loss. First off, it's low in calories but packed with flavor, which means you can drink as much as you like without sabotaging your calorie intake. But it's more than just a refreshing drink. It actually helps you feel fuller for longer. This is because the pectin fiber in lemons can reduce hunger cravings. So, that constant urge to snack? Gone. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Lemon water can also boost your metabolism. The citric acid in lemons helps the digestive enzymes in your stomach, which can lead to faster digestion and better nutrient absorption. So, when you start your day with a cup of lemon water, your body is already on track to burn more calories. But there's more. Drinking lemon water can help with hydration. You've heard that staying hydrated is key to a healthy metabolism, right? Well, it's true. Drinking enough water, especially with the added boost of lemon, can make a huge difference in keeping your metabolism firing on all cylinders. Number 2, reduces fatty liver. If you've ever been told you have a fatty liver, you know how concerning it can be. But don't panic, because lemon water can help reduce fat buildup in the liver. The high levels of antioxidants in lemon, particularly vitamin C, help protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Over time, this protection can reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Drinking lemon water helps your liver produce bile, which is essential for breaking down fats. This means that not only does your liver get a little boost, but it also becomes more efficient in processing fats. It's like giving your liver a cleaner, more streamlined process for handling what you eat. But it doesn't stop there. Lemon water also has detoxifying effects. It helps flush out toxins from your body, allowing your liver to focus on its most important tasks, instead of being bogged down by harmful substances. The result? A healthier liver and a smoother digestive process. Number 3, reduces cholesterol. Lemon water can help lower your cholesterol levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. How? It's all about the antioxidants in lemons. Specifically, the flavonoids in lemons have been shown to reduce levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, and help increase HDL, or good cholesterol. This balance is key to keeping your arteries clear and your heart functioning properly. But it's not just the antioxidants that work wonders. The vitamin C in lemon also helps strengthen the walls of your blood vessels, which can reduce the risk of plaque buildup that leads to high blood pressure. So drinking lemon water can help you maintain a healthy cardiovascular system and lower the chances of developing heart disease. Over time, incorporating lemon water into your daily routine could even help regulate your cholesterol levels naturally, without the need for medications. It's an easy, natural way to keep your cholesterol in check. Number 4, anti-aging effects. Let's face it, we all want to stay young and vibrant for as long as possible. While no drink can stop time, lemon water is packed with anti-aging properties that can help slow the signs of aging. One of the main reasons for this is the high concentration of vitamin C in lemons. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that supports collagen production in your skin, which helps keep it firm and youthful looking. In addition to vitamin C, the antioxidants in lemon water also fight free radicals, which are responsible for speeding up the aging process. By neutralizing these free radicals, lemon water helps protect your skin from damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and environmental toxins. But it's not just your skin that benefits. Drinking lemon water can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The hydrating effects of lemon water make your skin look plumper, reducing the visibility of those little age lines that creep up over time. Number 5. Anti-cancer effects. I know this sounds pretty wild, but stick with me here. Lemon water has been linked to anti-cancer effects thanks to its powerful antioxidants. The flavonoids in vitamin C in lemons can help neutralize free radicals, which play a role in the development of cancer cells. These antioxidants work by protecting your cells from damage, reducing the chances of them becoming cancerous. But there's more. Lemons contain a compound called limonene, which has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that limonene may help slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and colon cancer. While we need more research to fully understand the connection, the early signs are promising. By drinking lemon water, you're flooding your body with powerful compounds that not only help prevent cancer, but also support your overall health. It's a simple, proactive way to take care of your body and fight against disease. Number 6. Reduction of kidney stones. If you've ever had a kidney stone, you know just how painful they can be. Lemon water is a natural way to help prevent them from forming. The citric acid in lemons can increase urine volume and increase urine pH, which helps prevent the formation of kidney stones in the first place. It's like giving your kidneys a little boost to keep everything flowing smoothly. In fact, studies have shown that people who drink lemon water regularly have a lower risk of developing calcium-based kidney stones. The citrate in lemon can bind to calcium in the urine and prevent it from forming crystals that lead to stones. Drinking lemon water also promotes hydration, which is key to preventing kidney stones. The more hydrated you are, the less likely you are to form those painful crystals. So the next time you want to keep your kidneys happy, reach for a glass of lemon water. Number 7. Vitamin C boost. Lemon water is a fantastic way to boost your vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is crucial for your immune system, helping to protect your body from illnesses like colds and the flu. It also promotes healthy skin, reduces inflammation, and even helps improve your mood. But did you know that vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant? It protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals, supporting your overall health and well-being. So, by drinking lemon water daily, you're giving your body a consistent supply of this essential nutrient. If you're feeling run down or you're trying to ward off a cold, lemon water is a simple and effective way to get your vitamin C fix. Plus, it's delicious, so you'll actually look forward to your daily dose. Number 8. Supplies phytonutrients. Lemon water is packed with phytonutrients, plant compounds that provide a wide range of health benefits. These nutrients have been shown to support various aspects of health, including heart health, immune function, and digestion. One particular phytonutrient in lemons is flavonoids, which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. By drinking lemon water, you're giving your body a natural source of these beneficial compounds. These phytonutrients can help your body fight off oxidative stress, support detoxification, and promote healthy cell function. It's a simple way to nourish your body and support its natural healing processes. So, don't underestimate the power of those little lemon wedges in your water. They're packed with nutrients that can help you feel better and perform at your best. Now, you might be wondering, okay, I get that lemon water is great, but how do I make sure I'm getting the full benefits? It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the health advice out there, especially when it seems like every new fad is promising instant results. The key is consistency. Drinking lemon water every day isn't about seeing immediate changes, although you'll likely notice improvements quickly. It's about creating a long-term habit that supports your overall health. Make it part of your morning routine, and soon you'll start feeling the difference in your energy levels, digestion, skin, and more. But don't expect it to be a magic fix. For real results, combine it with a balanced diet, exercise, and proper sleep. Lemon water is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's a powerful one. It's easy to make, and you can start reaping the benefits right away. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water, and you're good to go. It's an affordable, natural way to boost your health, improve your digestion, and feel better every day. Subscribe now for more tips and tricks on living your healthiest life.